recently organized my desk and bookshelf area, and you guys have requested that I do a desk and bookshelf tour, which is what I'm doing today. I'll be showing you how I organized my bookshelf and desk, and hopefully you can find some inspiration for your own study space. My bookshelf is from IKEA, and my books are organized in 4 different sections. My old books from when I was younger, my Norwegian books, Spanish books, English books, and classics. They're all organized in alphabetical order. In the lower part of the bookshelf, I have some boxes from IKEA with notebooks from previous years and my textbooks. My desk is also from IKEA. At the top of the shelf, I keep my bullet journal, planner, and 2 other small notebooks and my poetry books. Next, I have my dictionaries and some old audiobooks. Here's my little collection of Sims games. I really enjoy them. In the center, I keep perfumes, nail polishes, and lotions. Then at the right hand, I have my GoPro and Beats and some postcards that I really like. Then on the left hand side of my desk, I keep most of my stationery, some journals, and my SD cards and keys. In the middle, I keep the stationery that I use every day. On the right hand side, I keep my wallets, camera equipment, and different electronics. On the left of the desk itself, I keep my highlighters and brush pens, and I also have a memory box with different items from travels and my old phones. Then I have some decorations and some different pencils and markers that I don't really use too much. Then I have my pencil sharpener and a woodwick candle. Lastly, of course, I keep my computer on my desk as well. The desk also has drawers and cabinets. In the cabinet, I store my camera equipment. In the drawer, I store a lettering and mandala book, as well as notes books that I'll be using when uni starts again in autumn. Many of my notebooks were halfway finished or less, so I simply just ripped out the used pages and archived them in folders and binders, and now I have several notebooks that are as good as new for the next semester. That's it for the desk and bookshelf tour. I hope you guys liked this and that it gave you some tips and inspiration on how to organize your own study area. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.